Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class, students. Class 6 subject mathematics. So we are continuing with the same topic, that is playing with numbers. Today I am going to do you factors and multiples. So students, first let us go to factors. What are the factors of numbers? What do you mean by factors of a number? How can we find out the factor of a number? Or if a number is factor of another, how can we find that? So now I am taking one example. On the board you can see, is 4 factor of 24? The question mark is there. Is 4 factor of 24? To find out the factor of 24, to know whether the 4 is the factor of 24, we simply need to divide 24 divided by 4 and find out if the remainder is 0 or not. Let us divide the number. Now I have done the division there. I have divided 24 divided by 4. See on the board, I have divided the number. That is 4 times 4 into 6 gives us 24. What is the remainder we got? We got the remainder as 0. And what is the quotient we got? We got the quotient as 6. If we divide 24 divided by 4, we get the quotient as 6 and remainder as 0. So what does it imply, students? It implies that after division, if the remainder is 0, it tells us that the divisor is a factor of dividend. The divisor is the factor of dividend. Since the remainder here is 0, we say that 4 is the factor of 24. We got the remainder as 0, so that now by this, after dividing this, we can tell that 4 is the factor of 24. It also means that 24 is divisible by 4. Or you can say that 24 goes exactly into 4. 24 goes exactly into 4. We can define a factor as a factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. Now another one example I'll take. We'll take another one example, that is 5 factor of 24? We have taken 4 here, now I'll take 5. We will divide 24 into 5. So 5 4s are 20. If we minus this, we'll get 4. What is the quotient that we got? We got the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 4. But in the first example, we got the quotient as 6 and the remainder as 0. If we get the remainder as 0, we can tell that 24 is the factor of 4 or 4 is the factor of 24. But here, we are not getting the remainder as 0. We are not getting the remainder as 0, so that we can tell that the remainder is not 0. We can say that 5 is not a factor of 24. That is how we find out a number is a factor of number or not. This way we can find out that a number is a factor of that number or not. Did you get, students? Now here is a question, students. To find all the factors of 24. How can we find out this factors of 24? It's simple. Write the number as the product of two positive numbers. We have to think all possible combination, that is 24. In which tables 24 goes? How do we write the product of two numbers? It can be written as first, we have written 24 as a product of two numbers. But remember, we have to think all the possible combination. So first start with 1. Every number is obviously divisible by 1. So I have taken 1 into 24. Next we will see the number 2. Whether this number we should find out the factors, that is 24, is divisible by 2. It is 2 12s are 24. We have written here. Now next we will go to the next natural number, that is 3. Is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 8s are 24. We have written the products here. That is the two positive numbers. Next we will go to 4. 4 6s are 24. We got the factors of 24 here. Next if I go to 5. Is 5 divisible by 4? We have done already here. No, 5 is not divisible by 4 because we get the remainder as 4. Next we will go to 6. 6 again is repeating here, that is 6 4s are 24. This is it. We have got all the factors of 24. It comes in U shape. You can see the shape here. It comes in U shape. So we have got the factors here, that is in which shape? We have got in U shape. So you can't move further, no need of going further. If you go further also, 6 4s are 24, 7 can't be divided by 24. Again you will go to 8, again it is 8 3s are 24. Again if you go to 9, 9 is not divisible by 24. Again 10 is not there. 11 also is not divisible by 24. Again 12, 12 2s are 24. So instead of going further, you can just stop here. This is the logic that we follow. This is the logic in factors that we follow. We are stopping here. So the factors of 24 are, I can write as 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat these numbers again. That is 6, 8, 12, 24. So by this logic we got all the factors of 24. So next sum I have taken to find all the factors of 56. Now see the number, it is 56. What does factors tell you? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. Other than 1 has at least how many factors? 2 factors. Every number is a factor to itself or itself. Every factor is less than or equal to given number. Now let us find out the factor of 56. Now we know obviously 1 into 56 gives you 56. Next natural number is 2. 2 into 28 gives you 56. Next natural number is 3. 3 into 3 can't be divided with 56. If we divide 56 divided by 3, we don't get remainder as 0. So we can't write that 56 is the factor of 3. Next 4 into 14 we get 56. The same way 5 is also not the factor of 56. 6 is also not the factor of 56. Next 7 8s are 56. So remainder here we get 7 8s are 56. If we divide, we get the remainder as 0. So it is the factor of 56. The same way for 8 into 7, we get 56. If we be continuing, next the last number is 14 into 4. I am just doing the logic what I have followed in the last sum. That is 1 into 56, one natural number. Next natural number is 2. 2 into 28 we get 56. 3 we did not get here in this column. So I am not writing 3. Next number what we got? We got 4. 4 into 14 we got 56. Next 5 also we did not get. 6 also we did not get. So I am not writing in this column. Next number is 7. 7 8s are 56. Again 8 is repeating. Again 8 is repeating. That is it is going in U shape. That is 8 7s are 56. Again 14 4s are 56. 28 2s are 56. Again it is repeating. The numbers are repeating. So we can write that. Therefore the factors of 56 are 1 2 4 7. Repeat the number backward. 8 14 28 56. This is the way to write the factors of a number given to you. Do the sums of first main given in exercise 3.2. 3.3 sorry. I have explained you the first main. Jazakallahu khair.